Welcome to a vibrant journey through the spirited world of Mexican drinks. From the agave fields to bustling cantinas, Mexico's diverse beverages mirror its rich cultural heritage. Whether you're sipping a smoky mezcal by a bonfire or enjoying the zesty kick of a margarita at a beachside bar, each sip tells a story of tradition, history, and the flavors of the land. In this exploration, we'll uncover the top iconic alcoholic drinks that have become synonymous with Mexico's celebratory spirit. From the world-famous margarita to the bold elegance of tequila and the nuanced depths of mezcal, these libations embody the heart and soul of Mexican culture. So, grab your glass and join us as we raise a toast to the captivating world of Mexican beverages. 1. Margarita, a classic cocktail made with tequila, lime juice, and orange liqueur, usually served in a salt-rimmed glass. Margaritas can come in various flavors, such as strawberry, mango, and jalapeno infused. 2. Tequila, Mexico's most famous spirit, distilled from the blue agave plant. Tequila comes in different styles, including blanco, unaged, reposado, aged, and añejo, extra-aged, each with its own distinct flavor profile. 3. Mezcal, another agave-based spirit. Mezcal is known for its smoky flavor derived from the traditional method of roasting the agave hearts in underground pits. It's often served neat or in cocktails. 4. Michelada, a refreshing beer-based cocktail made by mixing beer with lime juice, assorted sauces like hot sauce or Worcestershire sauce, spices, and sometimes tomato juice or clamato. It's served over ice in a salt-rimmed glass. 5. Paloma. This cocktail features tequila, grapefruit soda, and lime juice. It's a popular and refreshing drink that's often enjoyed as a lighter alternative to the margarita. These drinks are not only enjoyed within Mexico, but have also gained popularity worldwide for their unique and flavorful profiles. Remember to enjoy these beverages responsibly and savor the rich cultural experiences they offer. Thank you for watching.